Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang energy update for May 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Sag. Na energy sa inyo second half ng May. Okay, so maaring meron kayong decision na gagawin. You're taking your time or parang meron kang ina-align na action or gagawin mo. Naghihintay ka ng tamang panahon. Oh, okay. So yung iba sa inyo Sag, maaring makaka-receive kayo ng promotion or leadership role ngayong second half ng May na ito yung matagal mo nang hinihintay. Yes, and you're going to feel grateful for this opportunity. Diba, timing is essential to success na kanya-kanya yan ng oras na maaring ngayon yung iba successful, it's their time. Tapos, ikaw naman, pwedeng next year or next week, it's also your time, 'di ba? So, kumbaga just do your best. And eventually, the opportunities will go to you. You will receive yung mga gusto mo talagang ma-achieve sa buhay. And now is the time. You have the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Moon. Oh, dalawang beses yung energy ng Moon. The Moon is your emotions. This is your instinct, your intuition. May mga times kasi na parang feeling mo, hindi mo nakikita yung path, yung dadaanan mo. Na sometimes you feel clueless. Wala kang idea kung saan ba to papunta. And there are times na gulong-gulo yung isip mo, nag-overthink ka na, what if ganto, what if ganon. So, hindi siya nakakatulong kasi it will just create anxiety or frustration sa'yo. Instead na na-inspire ka. So, you have to change your mindset to focus on inspiring yourself. Focus on the good things sa buhay mo para mas ma-attract mo yung magagandang bagay. You have the Knave of Cups, the Knave of Coins. Kung meron kang anak, isa sa priorities mo ngayong second half ng May ay yung needs ng mga anak mo. You also have the Hierophant and the Justice card. Some of you, pwedeng mag-aasawa or papasok sa isang serious relationship or committed relationship. Yung iba, kaya nyo gagawin to is because maaring meron na kayong anak, may responsibilities na kayo together. So, gusto nyo talagang gawin tong formal na relationship na you will have, rights na may mga makarapatan ka sa person mo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring mag-aaral, no? If you have plans of going back to school, I see an opportunity sa inyo. Or, pwede tong sarili nyong research, sarili nyong pag-aaral, self-study. You have Stork. So, this is progress. Heals pain from the past. Okay. So, I think, merong healing. May pagpapatawad sa mga nagawa nyo in the past. Like, yung mga bad decisions ninyo, bad choices. Minsan kasi ganun na sarili natin mismo yung kaaway natin or kalaban natin dahil na-realize natin na mali pala, nagkamali pala tayo. But at that time, alam natin yun yung best possible decision. So, So, we just have to take accountability na ganun talaga. We learn our lessons, diba? At least, may natutunan tayong lesson dyan. Some of you, maaring merong din talagang romantic connection na naghihintay if you are single. Someone might be confessing sa'yo or mag-open up ng feelings niya towards you or vice versa. Wow. Parang ang daming involved na tao rito, ha? Oo. So, maaring you might find yourself in a complicated situation or complicated relationship. Siyempre, piliin mo kung saan ka mas panalo. Oo, hindi kayong madedehado. I also see you gaining a lot of attention around this time. Grabe, 3 mo, no? Some of you Sagittarius might feel emotional. Like, sobrang daming emotions na may mga times na hindi nyo na alam kung bakit kayo umiiyak or bakit napaka-sensitive ninyo. So, pay attention to your emotions. Connect to your emotions. Your feelings are valid. May mga times na kailangan mo na lang iiyak, i-release yung nararamdaman mo, yung bigat na nararamdaman mo para makagaan, no? Makagaan sa'yo. Okay, so let's see yung money, career, finances, energies, message for Sagittarius. Oh my God, may jealousy sa work. Meron dyan, maaring hindi totoo ang pakikitungo sa'yo sa trabaho, sa business, or saan mang environment yan na kinabibilangan mo. Some of you are procrastinating. Meron kayong mga plano, hindi nyo ginagawa. Lagi lang nasa isip nyo, ino-overthink nyo. You just have to do it. Sabi nga just do it. This is the best time to put your plans into action. 10 of Cups. This is going to bring you happiness. Focus on the good things. Kasi may mga times na parang hindi ka nakakapagsimula kasi kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba. Or niisip mo na dapat pareho kayo ng landas na tinatahak. Which is, hindi. Kasi minsan magkakaiba talaga tayo. Focus on what makes you happy. Focus on mga positibong pananaw sa buhay para yun yung mag-fuel sa'yo na mag-take action ka sa yung mga goals, sa mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Meron talaga rito yung iba pwedeng you are like, let's say, jealous of the success ng ibang tao. Pwedeng vice versa yan or reversal. Ikaw yung parang kinaiinggitan naman ng iba. So, maging maingat sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bibigyan ng chance. This can be a friend, relationships, romantic connection, or family member na bibigyan mo ng chance na maging parte ulit ng buhay mo. The Lovers. Nako, 3 of Swords. If you like this person has disappointed you, na-disappoint ka ng taong to, maaaring may ginawang kalokohan. Pero, you realize na maaaring worth it naman siya na bigyan ng chance. 9 of Cups. Lalo na kung siya talaga yung nagpapasaya sa'yo. Siya yung apple of your eye. The time is right to release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. Yes. Yung mga old habits, especially unhealthy habits na nagpe-prevent sa'yo from becoming more successful, or yung mga stuck energy, you are releasing that. You are ready to embrace change. May pagbabago ng parating. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Wow, ang ganda. Blessings of happiness. So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, itong happiness na to, may kinalaman sa relationship mo ngayon na mas masarap sa pakiramdam mo na may naaayos na relasyon sa buhay mo. This can be any relationship, friendship, sa family, sa parents mo, or sa romantic partner mo. At yun ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng katahimikan ng isip. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.